You got a leak somewhere in this tub. You kind of see some water all the way around there. There could be different reasons for this, but when I turn it on, you'll end up water out here. So we're going to find out where the water is coming from. Turn the pump, actually turn both pumps on, and then we'll open the side up here to see where it's leaking. Actually coming right up the side there. Could be coming from anywhere really, that's just where it's coming out. We're just going to take off the easiest cover. So for this spot here, it's just a couple of these screws here. Sometimes you'll have them at the top. This one here only has the one. A couple on the bottom. So this one's the easiest one to take off. The ones on the side be a little tougher because of the spa lifter. We've got the cover off. This is the insulation they have in this tub. Oh, there you go. Other stuff. This, let's see if we can tighten that up. I'll turn it off. So it looks like it's been leaking for a long time. That's why you inspect it all the time. Because of warm, cold, right? See the white crusty stuff? That's a good indication that it was leaking. So inspect these as much as you can. So I'm hoping that we can just tighten this. It's not cracked at all. We'll soon find out. Tighten this. Now somebody's marked it pretty much where it tightens. So it'll be interesting to see if I tighten it more, if it's going to stop. Okay, let's turn it back on. See how that pump moves a lot? That's not good. You got to prevent that. Even the bolts on the bottom are a little loose. So you got to tighten all these up on both sides. So get a tool and tighten these up. We got all these bolts tightened up, so we're going to turn it back on. We got this snug. Like I said, over time, a lot of stuff loosens up. So even if you get water on the bottom like this, it could be something else. It could be, these are notorious for leaking the jets behind. So I got a video on that, how to fix those. But if your tub's full of foam, it's going to be way harder to find these leaks. Still shifts a bit. I just tighten the front ones. Make sure you do all four. I'm going to do the two back ones because it looks like it's torquing this way. And there is a brace right there. So this pump here only has the two here, and then the back lip of the bottom of the pump, the base, slips into a plastic piece. So you might have that style too, where it just slips in like that, pushes down, and you put these two bolts in. It's not the best idea in the world at manufacturing, because you don't want these pumps to twist like the torque all the time. Like you saw, you'll get stuff that loosens off. So you just got to keep an eye on that. Once a year, do a check on everything, tighten everything else, just check everything. That's the best way of doing it. So that's how you find a leak.